Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Motorhome in Fern. As you can see, we're back out and about on our Easter weekend travels, guys, and yeah, this time we're off down southwest to Somerset, and we're staying for 4 nights at the Cheddar Caravan and Motorhome club site, guys. So we've been here previously about 4 years ago, but we wasn't doing any YouTubing at the time, so we'll do a few vlogs from here, guys. We'll do a arrival vlog when we get here. Weather is not going to be great, I gather, down the southwest. Very windy and rainy at the moment, so we'll get it done, guys, though. So if it don't get done today, we'll get it done over the holiday period. So yeah, looking forward to this one. We're going to hopefully have a look around Cheddar, do the Cheddar cliff top walk again, and there's a lovely big Cheddar reservoir you can walk around. So yeah, that is the plans for the coming few days. So yeah, we're going to head back down. We're up the M6 now and down the M5, and we'll see you on the run into Cheddar. So bye for now. Right, welcome back everybody. As you can see, we're just in Cheddar at the moment, so we're just driving through the little village. And rather a wet journey getting down here, guys, but it has slightly brightened up and not so much rain at the moment. But yeah, we're nearly there. We made it safe and sound. Probably about 10 minutes early at the moment, but hopefully that won't matter too much. And once we're through this section of the town, I think we've got a little narrow bit over the bridge, and then we've got a right turn, if I remember right. Little Tesco's Express there on the right. And I believe as well, guys, if you need any provisions while you're here, there's a big Sainsbury's, if I remember right. You got the Bath Arms on the left. And I think on the left here, guys, this is the car park into Sainsbury's. Could be wrong, I could be right. Yes, that's Sainsbury's car park up there. So we've just got to go over this little twisty section now, over the little narrow bridge. And I think the site is directly on the right hand side soon. We're going to take a right shortly. Here we go. There's a rugby or the football club car park there, guys, so if you're a little bit early, I guess you could pull in there for a few minutes. It's on the left here, guys, so we're going to have to wait a little while, I think, for them to open. Alright, guys, so we're here. We'll get ourselves checked in and booked in, and we'll do a little site walk a bit later. I don't know whether you can see, but it's looking quite empty now at the moment, but I would say by Good Friday tomorrow, or even today, it will be completely full. Right, we're going to get a pitch now. As you can see, there's lots to choose from today. We did go up this top end before, so we'll have a little look up the top, see if there's one available. Also like to check my Wi-Fi signal as well. Go there. Signal is not so good down there. Have a wander down this bottom end. Certainly had a better Wi-Fi signal. Right, I'll get ourselves set up. Right, welcome back everybody. As you can see, we're nicely set up now. We actually did move pitch in the end. We did move to 23 now. That was mainly because the television lead wasn't long enough, so we thought we'd come to a hookup point a little bit closer, but we're here now. Just drizzling a little bit at the moment, so we're going to have a little bit of lunch, but we're all set up inside. As you can see, we've got the waste master out, we've got the TV lead in as well, although we have got the fire stick as well working. Not too sure on the internet speeds, guys. We'll check that out in due course, but yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of lunch, go and tell them what pitch number, pay our dues, and yeah, sit and relax for a little bit, guys. So yeah, it's Easter, hopefully the weather will improve as the days go on and that, so we're looking forward to this one. We're going to do similar to what we've done the last time round, so let's go back inside. We've got Sky down there. Hello Sky. There's Sky, she's looking forward. Obviously no beach for her this time, but we'll find plenty of walks. And yeah, we've got the kettle on. We've just got the laptop out and the iPad out ready. Kettle boiling away. TV tuned in. You will need an aerial lead here, guys, and that, but I think we've got about 50 channels in total, so it's enough with the Fire Stick as well and the YouTube to watch, so all is good. So let's say we'll have a little bit of lunch and we'll we'll get back to you shortly. Bye for now. Right, we're going to head down to reception now. We'll pay our dues, what we owe. I think we owe about another £89, obviously paid the deposit, so I think that's a total of about £110. So, or maybe we'll have a quick look in here, guys, while we're just passing. These are the facilities block. We've got the dishwashing area here. Excuse me if you're picking up any wind noise. I've got the microphones on, but your pots and pans area. You've got 4 sinks there. In front you got a baby and toddler washroom locked, and inside we've got the laundry. Some more sinks there, obviously the wash machine and a tumble dryer. That's all good. Obviously I can't show you in the ladies, guys, but we can tie Sky up. We'll have a quick look at the men's. Right, you got obviously a disabled ramp to use. We've tied Sky up now, so we'll just have a quick look inside the facilities. These are your showers. Looking a little bit dated now. So there's 4 of those, 2 each side. Men's urinals and your main toilet facilities. They're all clean and tidy. So we've got 4 of those. And on the opposite side, you've got a washroom, or just a wash hand basin, and I think there's 6 of those. Hairdryer as well. Alright, so that's the men's facilities. Go and get my girl. Just coming out of the men's, guys, you've got some recycle points there, and service point, wastewater, drinking water, etc. You've got the warden's caravan and barrier with barrier cards, so I would imagine they'll give us one of those. And you've got the motorhome service point there. You've got a drive over grid, and across here you've got the information shed, all the leaflets. That's locked, guys, so maybe not, it's windy today, whether or not they keep it closed when it's windy. And in front looks like you've got a disabled wash facility. And obviously the ladies' facilities in there, guys. So there we go, that is the main facilities block. There's only one. We still use our own, guys, always have done and always will, I'm afraid. And we're going to go into the reception now and tell her where we are, and then we'll just have a wander around the site. Right, that's us all paid up. £89 to pay. So that was, £109 in total. So you got a couple of pitches there. That's close to the facilities block. I did initially think they were disabled parking, but no, they're not. And we've got some pitches on the right hand side. Oh, it's extremely windy and gusty this is today. You've got a mixture of caravans and motorhomes here. There is a grassy area as well, but I don't think that is open for pitches this weekend. But as you see, they're all hard standing, gravelly and that, so pretty level as well. We didn't need levelers. Last time I was at this top end, I think where the caravan is situated. Obviously that is taken this time, so, and to be honest, the Wi-Fi signal wasn't so good. Right, back to our walk around. I had a little chat with the warden there. I might have kept the camera rolling there for some reason, but we stopped it now and continued. As you can see, we've got another service point there. Let's have a wander down this way. You've got your drinking water, wastewater, recycle bins. As you can see, these are the grass pitches in front, which aren't being used, and so they shouldn't be, because the grass would be wrecked. We're down here, as you can see, on the right hand side. As I say, pitch number 23. We did move in the end, as I say, mainly because of the TV connection. We haven't got a long enough cable, but yeah, it's a nice little quiet site. You got the village just out and about, out the door, and it's about 15 minutes walk up to Cheddar Gorge, if I remember right. So we've done that area where the facilities is, so we'll just cut round here. These are all your red pegs down this end. There'll be your non-awning pitches. As I say, I do apologise if we got any wind noise or rain on the lens and that, but it's a quick walkabout, guys, just show you what Cheddar's all about. And as you can see, it's filling up quite nicely now, so a lot of people have come today for the weekend, which I've done. I've mainly done that to avoid the motorway traffic. Tomorrow, we've been in bank holiday traffic before, and it's a nightmare, but we've done this from Northamptonshire. I think it was 175 miles in about 3 hours 20. So yeah, more pitches here, as you can see, all pretty level. Nobody's using any chocks, leveling blocks and that, guys. So and if you didn't want to come here, there's a lovely little campsite just across the road. I'll show you another day. I think it's called Bridge Touring Park. So as you can see, there's the facilities or the service point. We almost chose that pitch, but the Wi-Fi wasn't brilliant there. So right, we're going to go back inside now. We didn't have lunch, we wanted to get paid. We see an opportunity to do a little bit of filming, and we took it, guys. So thanks again if you've enjoyed this little walk around Cheddar Caravan and Motorhome club site. It's probably been a little bit of a quick walk, guys, and that, but let's say weather and conditions have dictated this one today. So we'll bring you more of the Cheddar hopefully in the coming days, weather permitting. I can't see us getting many drone flights in, too windy, but hey ho, never mind. So guys, we'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.